Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, welcome to my channel. So in today's video, I'll be talking about one new Indian makeup brand which is Kiro Beauty. It's an Indian makeup brand and they launched few months back. All the products are made in India and free from any kind of toxins and any kind of nasty chemicals. So they launched a few products in their product library. I've got these three products from this brand. This their blush, highlighter and this lipstick. So ये blush और highlighter मैंने अभी तक use नहीं किया है. So I'll give you my first impression on these two products in today's video. And this lipstick I've already tried and I've tested this lipstick for some time. So I'll give you my review on this lipstick in today's video. Also, this video is not at all sponsored in any way, or this is not any kind of barter deal. All these products I have purchased from my own money because I wanted to support this brand. So if you are interested, please keep on watching this video. So first, let's talk about this brand a little bit. So this brand Kiro Beauty is a women powered brand, and this brand is totally clean. All the products from this brand are skincare infused. This brand is 100% vegan, cruelty free and totally made in India, which is again a good thing. All the products from this brand are free from any kind of nasty chemicals. There are no parabens, sulfates or any kind of toxins present in any of their products. Currently in their library they have blushes, highlighters and three kind of lipsticks. So I have with me blush, highlighter and one of their lipstick, the liquid lipstick. So let's try these products what I have with me. So the very first product I have is this one. This is their Glow On Blush Duo. It has rosehip oil and calendula oil. And this is how it looks from outside. It comes in this kind of outer packaging. On the front, the brand name is written and the product name is written. And on the back, all other details are mentioned. So the packaging is like little unique, I would say. The color and all is little unique. And it has this some kind of pattern as well on the packaging. So this packaging is actually good. So here on the back side it say it's natural glow, easy blend, silky smooth finish, lightweight and long wear. Okay, and here all the other details are mentioned, like all the ingredients are mentioned here and price and everything is mentioned here. So this blush duo retails for 900 rupees and you get 9 gram of product, I guess. Yes, you get 9 gram of product and the shelf life of this product is approximately 3 years. And here they have mentioned that this is skincare infused makeup. It is responsibly formulated. It is dermatologically tested, no parabens, no animal cruelty, 100% vegan and no toxins. So all the details about this product is mentioned on the outer packaging, and this is how it looks from inside. There is this kind of graphic pattern on the packaging, and it's a matte black packaging. And on the back you get this sticker here जहाँ पे shade लिखा हुआ है and the expiry date is mentioned, which is a really good thing, at least for me. And when you open it, it looks like this. So you get this full size mirror here, and here is the blush. So it's a blush duo, so you get these two shades in this blush duo. By the way, the shade which I got is 01 Classic Coral plus Perfect Pink. So they have like 4 shades in this blush duo. Basically they have 4 shades और उसी के उन्होंने पेयर बना रखे हैं different and you get 4 different kind of variants. So you can choose any variant which suits your skin tone, and in each variant you will get 2 blush shades. So the packaging is actually really good. It's little bulky and it is not very lightweight. It has some weight in it, but the quality and everything is really good. And this mirror what you get here is also very good. You can easily see your whole face in this mirror. So yeah, it's good. I have not used this blush yet. I just swatched it when I got it, but मैंने अब तक face को apply नहीं किया है. So let's swatch it first. So this is how it looks. It actually doesn't swatch well. You don't get a good pigmentation, but sometimes ना प्रोडक्ट जब आप फेस पे अप्लाई करते हो तभी आपको एक्चुअली पता चलता है कि वो कैसे परफॉर्म करते हैं. तो just by looking at the swatches you shouldn't judge any product. These are not matte blushes, these are actually satin blushes, so you'll see little bit of sheen in them, but there are no chunky glitter particles or anything. Glitter particles नहीं present है इसके अंदर, but it has a very nice sheen in these blushes. Now let's apply this one on the face. So I'm taking this coral shade because this will match with the eye look. So I'm taking on the brush. I don't see much kickback in the pan, but always remember to tap off the excess. And I'm taking only little amount because I don't know like how much pigmented they will be on the face. So इसलिए मैंने बहुत थोड़ा सा amount लिया है, tapped off the excess. Now let's apply. So this is how it looks with one application. I can clearly see that it doesn't have too much pigment, which is actually good. Because अगर बहुत ज़्यादा पिगमेंटेड होते हैं ना ब्लशेस तो उनको ब्लेंड करना मुश्किल हो जाता है, एंड दे कैन बी लिटिल पैची समटाइम्स. So I think it's fine if your blushes are not highly pigmented. You can always build up the color. So if you want your blush to be only this much, you can just stop here. But I want my blushes to be little more, pigmented. So I'm applying little bit more. Anyway, I took very less product the first time. So again, I'm taking product, tapping off the excess, and yeah, I'll try to build up the color. So this is how it looks after the second application. I think it is looking really beautiful, and you can see here, you can see, right, it has this very nice sheen to it. I actually like these kind of blushes which has this kind of very nice sheen in them. Also, it was very easy to blend and it was not at all patchy. Now let's apply on the other side. Again, starting with the less product. So I guess this is how this blush looks like, and I'm really happy with the performance of this blush. ये वाला shade use किया मैंने, and it performed really well. It was easy to apply, easy to blend, and it was very easy to build up the color with this one. So yeah, overall I really liked it. The packaging is good. You get a very nice mirror here, and the product is also very good. So let's move on to the next product, which is this one. This is their Prism Perfect Highlighter. This also contains rosehip oil plus calendula oil. And this is how the outer packaging of this highlighter looks like. Basically, the outer packaging is exactly similar to the blush. So on the back side, all the details are mentioned. So here it says micro fine pearl finish, high luminosity, lightweight, easy blend, and long wear. And all other details like ingredients and everything is mentioned on the outer packaging, similar to the blush. So this highlighter also retails for 900 rupees, and in this one as well you get 9 gram of product, and the shelf life is again approximately 3 years. So they have only one shade in this highlighter, and this is how it looks from inside. So exactly the same packaging as blush. On the back side you get this sticker where all the details are mentioned. So this is also a matte black packaging, basically the same packaging. So in the highlighter they have only one shade, which is 01 Sandy Rose plus Pearly Bronze. So in this one as well you get these two shades of highlighters. So this is how it looks from inside. So you get these two shades and again the same mirror. So let's swatch these highlighters. ये भी मैं swatch कर चुकी हूँ, but I have not used on the face. So this is how it looks. So the pigmentation of highlighter comes good when you swatch it. So let's see on the face how it applies. I'm using this shade because I think this will be a little dark shade for me. So let's take it on the brush. There is no kickback, just tapping off the excess, and let's apply. Wow, you can see it's really beautiful. So this is how it looks. It's a really beautiful highlighter. The finish of this highlighter is really good. It's very buttery and soft, and it doesn't contain any kind of glitter or shimmery particles, and it gives you this kind of blinding glow. So with this one as well, you can apply, I think, little amount if you want only the natural finish. If you don't want this kind of blinding finish, you can apply a little bit, and you can easily build up this highlighter to this blinding finish as well. So yeah, this also performs really good. This highlighter actually holds these claims, like it has this silky smooth finish, and it was very easy to blend, and it provides a very nice glow. It is lightweight, yeah, it is lightweight. They also say that this is long wear. I can't comment on that because I have not used this highlighter before, but I will surely update you about the lasting power of this highlighter in the description box. So check the description box if you're interested to know. So overall, I like this highlighter as well. The packaging is again good, and the product performs also really well. Now the last product I have is this lipstick. This is their non-stop airy matte liquid lip, and this contains avocado oil plus apricot oil, and this comes in this kind of packaging. Again, the color and everything is same, and all other details are mentioned on the back side of the packaging. So for this one, they say that lush color, lightweight, easy and even spread, non-tug, non-sticky, all-day comfort. So this lipstick retails for 875 rupees, and you get 5 ml of product in this. The shelf life of this lipstick is 2.5 years. And this is how the lipstick looks from inside. It comes in this kind of plastic transparent tube packaging with this cap where you have this graphic pattern. And on the bottom you get a sticker where the shade is mentioned and the expiry details of the lipstick is mentioned. So there are, I guess, 16 shades available in this lipstick range, and I got this shade 12 Nutmeg Nude. It's a nude shade, as you can see. So this lipstick comes with this kind of applicator. So it's a very sleek applicator, and it is little slanted, as you can see. There is a little bit of slant in this applicator. So this lipstick I have actually tried. I was testing this lipstick so that I can give you a review on this lipstick. So ये lipstick मैं already try कर चुकी हूँ. So first let's apply this lipstick, and then I'll share my review on this lipstick with you. I'm taking a little bit more. So this is how this shade looks like. The texture of this lipstick is very liquidy, and you will have to apply like 2 layers on your lips to get a full pigmentation out of this lipstick, to get a full coverage on the lips. It's a matte lipstick, but it takes some time to turn into a total matte finish, like at least 1 minute or so it will take to turn into a total matte finish. So the applicator what you get in this lipstick is this very nice sleek applicator. So it gives you a very precise application. Also the applicator is not very spongy, so it doesn't hold a lot of product, but still it will hold enough product to get you enough coverage on the lips. And as I already told you that you'll have to apply 2 layers of the lipstick to get a full coverage. So आपको बार बार dip नहीं करना पड़ेगा applicator tube के अंदर. In 2 dips only you will get a full coverage on the lips. Also I really like the length of the wand. So as you can see, the wand is not very big, so it gives you a very nice control. So this lipstick has a little bit of sticky feel in it. You can see there is a little bit of stickiness. बहुत ज़्यादा नहीं है, बिल्कुल भी bothering नहीं है, but that stickiness is there, and that stickiness will be there for the whole time you are wearing this lipstick. And I guess because of that only it doesn't dry out your lips a lot. थोड़ा सा dry feel होती है since it's a matte liquid lipstick. It feels a little bit of tad bit of dry on the lips, but आपके लिप्स को बहुत ज़्यादा ड्राई नहीं करती है, and it doesn't crack on the lips, बिल्कुल भी क्रम्बल नहीं होती है or anything. and I think that is because of this little bit of sticky feel in it. तो आपके लिप्स को बहुत ज़्यादा ड्राई नहीं करती है लिपस्टिक. सो इट्स वेरी लाइट एंड इट्स वेरी कंफर्टेबल टू वेयर. सो दिस इज़ नॉट अ कम्प्लीटली ट्रांसफर प्रूफ लिपस्टिक, बट इट ट्रांसफर्स वेरी लेस, सो इट विल लास्ट फॉर अ प्रेटी गुड टाइम. It will easily last for 5 to 6 hours. But if you are having some oily food or anything, it will fade away. This lipstick actually has some kind of weird smell in it which I don't like, but it doesn't lingers on. Like, I'm wearing this lipstick on the lips, so I can't feel that fragrance. But when you smell it, you get that fragrance which I don't like. So overall, this lipstick is good. The formula is good and it lasts for a pretty good time as well. It retails for 875 rupees, which I think in my opinion is little costly for this lipstick. I guess 500 or 600 rupees would have been a good price for this, because you get 5 ml of product, and the lasting power is also not very good. It lasts for a pretty good time, but still 875 I feel is a high price for this. It is little too much. Now about the blush and the highlighter, both of these products retails for 900 rupees, which is again costly, but in each of these product you are getting 2 shades. तो blush के अंदर भी आपको ये 2 शेड मिल रहे हैं, and highlighter के अंदर भी आपको ये 2 शेड मिलते हैं, and the packaging of this product is really good. You get a very good mirror as well. So overall I think price of these 2 products are totally justified. Like हर एक शेड आपको 450 rupees का पड़ रहा है, तो I think it's fine, and you get a good amount of product as well. In each you get 9 gram of product. So I think price of these 2 products are still justified. Just that ये जो lipstick की price है मुझे थोड़ी ज़्यादा feel हो रही है. About the availability, I bought these products from their own website, Kiro Beauty. I don't know whether these products are available anywhere else like Amazon or anything. Nykaa पे तो ये available नहीं है, but I'm not sure whether these are available on Amazon. I bought these from their own website, so I'll mention the link of these products in the description box, so you can check the description box for more information. I guess that's all for today's video. I hope you liked this video and it was helpful for you. If you did, please like and share this video. Also, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't done already, and don't forget to press the notification bell so that you will be notified for my future uploads. Thank you so much guys for watching this video. I'll see you in my next one. Till then, take care. Bye.